Hi, this is Peter Stanley. Welcome to my channel. Today's September 30th, 2023, and this is a pepper grow update. Okay, this will be kind of a brief update since I'm not really growing a whole lot of plants this year, but they're all kind of growing together, so it'd be a little hard to sort some of these out. But this is my ghost pepper, Old School Bhut, and the GroBucket, and it's gotten pretty big. Comes out over here. It's pretty loaded with pods, and I've got a bunch on there ripe or turning ripe. So yeah, those are cool. I actually have picked a few of those already. This is another Old School Bhut in the GrowAce system, and it is also very loaded. See, it's kind of reaching out to get the sunlight from the porch. Is a little too shaded, I think, which is a problem on some of those plants behind these. Yeah, there's more. This thing's got a ton, so I'm hoping I get a lot ripe before it gets cold this year. Come around. This is some of the GrowAce. This is Jericho orange. I've got a bunch on there turning. I think I'm going to try to make a peach jelly with these if I have enough. If I don't have enough, I might add a ghost pepper in there to kick the heat up. It's one of the ricotta's, and it's like this isn't getting any light, so it's growing out here trying to catch some more sun, but it's starting to fruit. I don't think it's gonna. There might be some peppers down here. There's some more of the Jericho orange in there. So I've got a Thai plant here. It's another one not getting enough sun. Anyway, you can see those ricotta's down there. There's a ferry across that's leaning way over there. I think that's what some of those pods are. Kind of see in the distance, just kind of leaning over. And there's also a Reaper Moruga cross that has some peppers on it. I've got two of these in here somewhere, so get to them. Oops, I dropped one in there. There's one in there. There's a few others. And I've got 7-pot West here. It's got quite a few on it, and okay. Yeah, this is pretty loaded, so that's another one I'm really hoping I get some ripe before the for the cold. And this is Thai. It's got a ton of pods. Kind of get a better view up here. You can kind of see how this is. These seem to take a long time to ripen, so I don't know if I get any ripe, but I hope so. And these are all in the AutoPot setups. This is another furry across. I don't think I'm going to get anything on this plant, probably too far over, so I get enough light. And it's got some flower buds on it, but it's not going to have time to do anything. But I really like the AutoPot system. It's real simple. I use slow release nutrients, and I'm just filling that with water. And these are AutoPot plants here too. And the GrowAce system actually doing really well. I need to do a separate video about it, but I mean, comparatively, I think they're doing just as well as the AutoPot plants, but some of the limiting factor is really light, and that's just, I don't really have a lot of room to spread these out. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I prefer the AutoPot stuff just because it's simpler. Like too many points of failure, something that I don't really like to worry about. But actually, I mean, it works and it does a good job growing, so I can't complain. So yes, that's about it. If I always mention this, but if you go to AutoPot USA, use the discount code Pepperdactyl10, you get a 10% off your order. I'll put a link in the description. And so I'll try to get one more update in before it gets cold and show what's ripened and not. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.